everybody, but for me, this is my bad day because I am not approved by YouTube because of this reused content. I think this is the beginning or the end of my YouTube channel. There is only one solution to this reused content, and I'll show you how. Let's do it. Press the monetization page. See? That's my violation. Reused content because I repurposed someone else's content without adding significant original commentary or educational values. You know, friends, I am already disapproved by YouTube for 2 times. They say when you file a dispute, you can monetize your video, but it's all not true. It's all a lie. Why? Because I tried it. It will only cause you a delay on reapplying for your monetization. The only solution for reused content and the copyright claim is to delete those videos. Now we go to my dashboard and delete those videos. Let's go. You see, I have 1,374 subscribers, but in reality it's only 33. And my revenue is 0. Friends, this is all of my amazing videos. See? They are all wonderful, very good videos. Very nice. But still YouTube don't like it. Now, I would delete 3 of my great videos which I got from somebody else. These videos are all from Manny Pacquiao. YouTube doesn't like reuse content. That's it. I'm gonna delete it right now. See. Sahig, beautiful video. I will delete that also. And go there and then delete the videos. None. Now there is no more reused content on my video. I will reapply again on November 11 for the 3rd time. To all of my videos that I have been deleted, may you rest in peace. I will update you when I finish reapplying on YouTube on November 11.